Jamf Connect is ready to be installed on your computer. Go to the Macintosh hard drive, the Applications folder, and find Self-Service. To log in, use your Stevenson email and your Stevenson email password. When you are logged in, search for Jamf Connect and install. When the installation is complete, a Jamf Connect sign-in window will appear. Enter your Stevenson email and Stevenson password. Once signed in, an alert will pop up letting you know your local computer password does not match your Stevenson password. Enter your computer password in the local password field and click the sync button. Jamf Connect is now installed and set up. Let's restart to see what your new login will look like. When you reboot or log out of your computer, you will be presented with this login screen. To sign in, enter your Stevenson email, click Next, and use your Stevenson password, and sign in. In the event the login doesn't work or the computer is offline, click the Local Login button to bring up the traditional login screen. Enter your Stevenson email and password and press Return. Use the Jamf Connect icon in the menu bar to see how long until your Stevenson password expires, or change or reset your Stevenson password. When you choose Change Password, this window will appear. Enter your old password, then a new password. Note the green check marks that appear next to each password requirement once your password fulfills that requirement. Type the password again to verify, and then change your password. One last helpful addition is easy access to self-service and our help desk.